All right, buenos dias, everyone. It's a new day, day number 2 out here in Salento. So I'm gonna be going to the Santa Rita Waterfalls, I think that's what it's called. And I'm actually gonna walk there. So it's only an hour walk, and I kind of wanna just take it in, all the nature and everything. And yeah, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and eat breakfast and then start packing my things. I gotta upload a lot of footage onto my laptop, and yeah. So I decided to walk to Santa Rita Waterfalls. It is almost an hour hike, which isn't too bad. And I wanted to really just walk so I can get the scenery. As you can see, like, this is beautiful. And it's a beautiful day for a walk anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to, just get the views, and I got the drone with me right here so I can get some drone footage and yeah, just take it all in. Another reason, walking just kind of clears your mind, especially if you got a lot of things going on, stress, whatever. So, just a long walk will really just help you like kind of clear your thoughts. And then, what they say, hardship is growth. So me doing this the hard way instead of taking a Jeep or bus to the waterfall, in a way it's growth. So I have to cut through a finca, and I think I was told I have to pay them like 11,000 pesos. And then once I finally reach the waterfalls, it's I think it's 30,000 pesos for the entrance fee or something like that. And there's actually 4 different waterfalls at that location. So I'm curious, gonna get a lot of footage. And I did bring some shorts just in case I decide to get in the water, but it is a little bit chilly today, so I don't know, I might not get in the water, we'll see. Look at that. That's cool. That is cool. What's up, buddy? Which way I go? Oh, he's being mean. He's like, get the fuck. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm almost there, like 15 minutes, and shoes are all dirty, but whatever, I don't care. Now I gotta cross this this little river. So I went through the finca, and I gotta cross the river. If I didn't go through the finca, it would have been 2 hours walk. So yeah, I gotta go through this little river. And it is probably cold. Yes, it is cold. Shit. So just go slow and go across. But it's not deep, so that's a good thing. Try your best not to fall. Yeah, you got some expensive stuff in here. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. There we go. Shit. That water was freezing. Okay. Whew. That water was fucking cold as shit, but I made it. So before I put these on, I'm gonna let my feet dry off. I'll probably walk through this mud, or whatever. But yeah, let's keep going. Almost there. Okay, so I made it, and this is everything that they have going on here in Santa Rita. So it looks like a reserve park or something like that. But this is the trails. There's a camping ground. Actually, there's 3 cascadas, looks like. So there's this one, and then this one, and then that one. Oh, it's 4. There's a lot of cascadas. So this is gonna be really fun to check out the waterfalls. I can't read most of this stuff, but I mean, it's common sense. There's pictures. And then here's some of the wildlife I guess they have in the area. So cool. Looking forward to it. All right, so over there is where they do the camping in this area. But me personally, I wouldn't go camping because look at the weather. I'm not doing that, but yeah. And I met these 2 here, so we're walking together. So we're walking together, and we're gonna go check out all 4 cascadas, waterfalls in Spanish, it's cascadas. So we're gonna check out those, and yeah, let's make some good content. All right, so here's a really cool tunnel that we are walking through. It's pretty cool.
Traditional club.
Okay. So when did they normally light the candles?
Yeah, it's normally or in the tunnels or in the street.
Oh, to bless the tunnel.
Yeah.
Okay, entendido. Cool. So I probably should have done my research about this place so I can give you guys like just a little bit about the history, but I don't know anything. So maybe my 2 new friends here, maybe might know a little bit about the history. So maybe they can elaborate, but yeah. Okay, we got another tunnel that we're going through. So we're confused that the waterfalls are in this area. We just don't know where they are exactly. So we're literally just walking around, just try to figure it out. And they have horses. So I'm gonna do that probably on Friday. Get on a horse. Let's see. All right, buenas. Okay, don't swing it. So we got to do this one at a time because it's very unstable. So I'm supposed to grab both sides of the rail, but since I have this camera, I don't know. I'm gonna do my best. Swings a little bit. All right, made it. All right, looks like we made it to Santa Rita Cascada, the waterfalls. So this is gonna be super amazing. So there's another one at a time bridge. So yeah. All right, made it. And here is the waterfall. Man, that's beautiful. So beautiful. All right, so it's starting to rain, so I don't want my stuff to get wet, especially the drone. So I'm gonna put everything away, and I'll be back soon when it stops raining. So it is pouring raining, so we're just gonna wait until the rain dies down to walk back to the entrance, and I'm just gonna hang out here. There's food, snacks, all kind of stuff in here, but. And then there's some folks over there, I don't know if you can see them, they're walking in the rain. I'm not doing that. I got like a lot of expensive stuff in this bag. Drone, cameras, so I can't get any of that stuff wet. So I'm just gonna hang out here until the rain dies down. All right, so it stopped raining and we went to another waterfall. This is a smaller waterfall right here. I gotta try to be careful on these steps. Trying to go as slow as possible. There we go. All right. Oh, there's a cave in there. So there's a cave inside too. Pretty cool. There's a cave right in there. These guys here. Yes, new friends. New friends. All right, so we got the second waterfall right over here. As soon as I can get a good spot. Oh, this is beautiful.
Ya lo dijo.
Uy.
Si ve lo que no quería por usted meterse por acá.
So, another cave. And I think there's a waterfall on the other side, but we're gonna find out. Okay.
Yo tampoco.
All right, and yet another waterfall. And I guess this is the exit. All right, guys, so I just finished eating dinner and uploading a lot of footage onto my MacBook. Some of the files got corrupted. I don't know what happened, so I had to format the card. But I have like probably close to 1,000 clips, so it's all good. But anyway, I'm going to sleep. I got to get up early so I can go to Valle de Cocora in the morning before it rains around noon. So I got to get up early. So guys, please like and subscribe and check out my ebook. Link is in the bio.